Moss, do you like being in the hole?
Is that your special spot?
Yeah.
Are there little animals that live in the hole with you?
No.
No? Just you?
Look at that.
That's pretty nice.
It's snowing. Now it's snowing.
Yeah, it's all the snow's falling off the trees.
Look at me.
You're in a tree well. You could fall way down the tree well. I wonder if there's trolls that live at the bottom. You think there's trolls? Or gnomes?
No.
No? Little boys?
Mm-mm.
Dogs? Think there's rabbits? No?
Leopards are too big. What, come?
Down the hole?
Yeah.
I think you're the only one who will fit in it.
I can't fit.
You want to say hi to Oma?
Yeah.
Hi, Oma. Can you say hi to Oma?
Hi, Oma.
Hi, Nikki.
Hi, Nikki.
Hi, June.
Hi, June.
Hi, Christabel.
Hi, Christabel.
Hi.
Hi.